Hi, I'm Paul Soka. I do Masters Learning Cente and IBMasters.com. And today we're looking at the 10th question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 1. This is from the Blue Gap. Number 10 reads, the graph of y equals f of x is shown, where the function f is defined by ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, and a, b, c, and d are constants. For how many values of x does f of x equal 0? Well, if you don't know, f of x is another way to say y. It actually says it right here. So when we say f of x equals 0, what we're actually saying is y equals 0. And where does y equal 0? Y equals 0 on the x-axis. So another way to say this is how many times does the line go through the x-axis? And you can see 1, 2, 3. That's your answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with graphs, doesn't know that y equals 0 on the x-axis. If there's any questions you'd like to see from any SAT or ACT or PSAT, leave it in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out that 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.